Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to check for DNS leaks. If you're using a VPN to keep your online activities private and secure, you'll definitely want to make sure you're not leaking any of your data. But don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly test for DNS leaks so you can be confident your privacy is intact. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, what's a DNS leak? Well, DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it's basically how your computer translates the websites you type into IP addresses that the internet can understand. When you're connected to a VPN, the VPN is supposed to handle these requests securely. But sometimes, if there's a DNS leak, your device might still send these requests through your regular ISP instead of your VPN, which could expose your real location or browsing activity. Not cool, right? So why should you care? If you're using a VPN to stay anonymous, a DNS leak can defeat the whole purpose of it. Your location and browsing history might be exposed to your ISP or even third-party trackers. So, testing for DNS leaks regularly is important if you care about maintaining your privacy online. Now, let's talk about how to check for DNS leaks. It's actually super simple. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure you're connected to a VPN. I'm using ExpressVPN, but you can do this with any VPN. Then open your browser and search for DNS Leak Test. The website we're going to use is dnsleaktest.com. This is a free, reliable tool that will show you if your connection is leaking any DNS requests. Once you're on the site, you'll have two options, Standard Test and Extended Test. The Standard Test is quick, but if you want to get a more thorough check, I recommend doing the Extended Test. It'll take a little longer, but it's worth it for peace of mind. Now, after the test runs, you should see a list of IP addresses and locations. What you want to look for is any location or IP address that doesn't match the server location you're connected to via your VPN. For example, I'm connected to a server in Netherlands, so if I see any IP addresses that are located somewhere else, like my real country or any other location, that means I have a DNS leak. If you do find that you have a DNS leak, don't panic. It's usually an easy fix. Here are a couple of things you can try. Switch to a different VPN server. Sometimes certain servers might have issues with DNS leaks. Enable DNS leak protection. Many VPNs have built-in DNS leak protection. Make sure it's turned on in the settings. Check your DNS settings manually. If you're tech savvy, you can also change your DNS settings to use a secure DNS provider like Google DNS or OpenDNS. So that's it. Checking for DNS leaks is quick and easy, and it's something you should do regularly to make sure your VPN is working properly and keeping your data safe. If you find a leak, there are simple fixes, and if all else fails, reach out to your VPN provider for support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips on privacy, security, and everything VPN related. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. I'll see you in the next one.